URL building is a helpful feature in Flask to create URLs based on the functions they execute. This is really helpful when you want to create links to other pages inside your application. To build a URL to a specific function, we can use this URL_for method. This is one of the many helper functions that Flask makes available to us. The documentation for URL_for can be found on the Flask documentation page here. I want you to open up the menu.html template and add some new hyperlinks to edit and delete each menu item. Remember that this URL_for helper method returns a complete URL string, so place it where it belongs inside of an anchor tag. If your code works, you should have edit and delete links now on every menu item. Read through the documentation for reference. Consult your fellow students if you have any questions.